Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel subscription in Battle.net. So do you want to stop recurring game time payment on Battle.net but still enjoy your active playtime? Okay, I'm going to walk you through how to do that. First, open your browser and go to account.blizzard.com, then sign in with your credentials. Or launch your Battle.net's web app and click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Go ahead and select account settings, and that's going to take you to the account page. So once you're here, click on games and subscription. From the left-hand navigation menu, you have a couple of options here: account overview, account details, games and subscriptions, parental controls. Just go ahead and click on games and subscriptions. Now this central hub shows all your Blizzard games and subscriptions. Now I don't have any game accounts. It's under the World of Warcraft entry or whichever game subscription you are canceling, go ahead and click the manage button, and that's going to walk you right into the manage page. In the manage page, you'll see cancel subscription displayed. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Once you do that, a confirmation page will appear. Read the prompt carefully and click confirm to finalize the cancellation. Some users report needing to scroll to the top to find that final confirm button, so do not miss it. Once confirmed, your auto pay stops, but you'll still retain access until your current game time expires. If no cancel button appears, that means there is no active recurring plan. If things look confusing, remove your saved payment method. This also stops recurring billing. Now, Blizzard's refund policy lets you refund a new subscription time within 14 days of purchase. However, after 14 days or once game time is used, refunds usually aren't available. So cancel early after a renewal if you're not planning to play. And that's the full cancellation walkthrough. Quick, clean, and it keeps your game time intact. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.